Welcome to this tutorial on how to set your electricity tariff. In this video, we'll show you how to configure your tariff settings as an end user, installer, or distributor. Part 1. Setting tariffs. To set your electricity tariff, go to the plant homepage, click the top right icon, and enter Rate Plan Settings. 3 ways to set tariff. Method 1. Apply template. Click the Set Up Tariff button, select or enter the grid operator, electricity retailer, and choose the currency unit. You can apply a pre-existing template. Once you've selected a template, review the details, and if everything looks good, you can apply it. If needed, you can modify the template. Method 2. Custom Tariff. To set a custom tariff, select the type of tariff, fixed rate, dynamic rate, or time of use rate. Enter the actual price for your tariff. For a dynamic rate, select the dynamic price provider and region. If you have additional expenses or subsidies, you can add them separately. If you are in a country like Sweden or Belgium, where maximum power fee or capacity fee exist, you can add the maximum power fee 1 under grid operation fees. The system will automatically match the peak price template based on the grid operator, and the app provides templates for Sweden and Belgium. If needed, you can modify the template. Method 3. Manual Review. If you're unsure about how to configure your tariff, you can upload your electricity contract/bill for a manual review. This will help ensure your tariff is set correctly. Part 2. Setting Tariff Templates. Now, let's look at how installers and distributors can create and configure tariff templates. Go to the Service page, enter Electricity Tariff Settings, and click on New Tariff Template. Select Tariff Settings. Select the following options: country/region, whether export is enabled, grid operator, electricity retailer, currency unit. Configure tariff rate. If you choose a dynamic rate, select the API and region. If it's a fixed rate or time of use, enter the actual pricing. You can also add additional charges using the Plus New Expense Item button. If you enable export, configure the export tariff the same way as the import tariff. After setting up the template, save it. Apply template. You can choose to modify a template, save your custom settings as a new template. Note, the system's default templates cannot be modified or deleted. Custom templates can be modified or deleted. Peak price configuration. If you are in a country like Sweden or Belgium with peak shaving electricity prices, you can configure peak price settings here. That's it. You've now learned how to set your electricity tariff and configure templates. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support.